Chill out, chill out, chill out. Stop moving. Chill out, chill out. Chill out.
Let me go.
Chill out.
Let me go, man.
Stop. Hey, just relax. Just relax.
Stop it. All right.
Just relax.
All right, man.
Medic's gonna check you out, man. Relax.
I want you free.
The video for today is one of those incidents that are shown to officers when they attend their annual and continuing education. Here are a couple of takeaways to keep in mind. There are no routine calls. An officer never really knows what he's walking into. De-escalation doesn't always work, and you don't always have time to try every de-escalation technique you've learned over the years. An officer cannot de-escalate an individual while bystanders are yelling at the person the officer is trying to talk to. Pouring water on someone who is fighting with a police officer is stupid. A combative person is a combative person, and you can't figure out why they are being combative until they stop being combative. More officers on scene makes it safer for everyone involved. Crowding around officers who are struggling with a combative person makes the situation more dangerous for the officers, the person they are struggling with, and for bystanders. Now, with all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I will talk to you soon.
7-4. I just rolled up on a 4 on 5th at 670.
Hey, baby. Oh my God.
Do you need any other cars?
Please.
I'm going to need a medic started. They're saying that this driver's having a seizure.
Oh my God. He had to be having a seizure. Oh my God.
Sir.
Oh my God. Ooh, I just scared the fuck out of me. Okay? Oh my God, I'm okay. My baby's oh, this is so scary. We gotta get him out of here. Sorry. Oh my God, please help this man.
Who was in this car with him? Anybody?
Just him. In the car. He came
what happened?
From this way and hit the rail right here, and it just.
So he hit that rail, came over. Did
he came from our way.
In the black truck?
I'm in the black truck. He had a drink.
Did he hit your car?
He went to sleep. No, he didn't hit nobody's car.
No, I just pulled my
He hit right there.
Out of the ignition.
Hello, hey. Oh my God.
Hey,
Oh
you all right?
God.
Hey, sir. Hey, calm down.
Oh, he needs some
sir.
water. Mom,
Sir.
give me some water. Bring me that water.
Hey, can you breathe?
Give me that water,
Are you breathing?
please.
Hey, talk to me, sir. Can you talk to me?
Oh, something's going on. God, please cover this man, please.
Sir, you okay? You okay? You all right, buddy? Look, talk to me. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, here, talk to me. Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Hey, my name's Officer Robinson. Hey, here. Hey.
Calm down, baby. You okay? Calm down.
Hey.
Calm down.
Hey.
You okay?
Hey, it's okay.
Calm down.
I need another car out.
You okay? No.
10-3. Stop!
No.
Stop! Hey, you need to stop.
No, please. Oh my God, please, calm down, please. No, baby, you know you No, calm down. Can I pour water on him, please?
Stop.
Calm down.
Hey!
Calm down, baby. You okay? Baby? Calm down, baby. You okay? Calm down.
Sorry.
I don't want you to do that to you. Please, you okay? Calm down. Please, calm down. You okay, baby?
What do you need, brother?
Yes, he should have helped
Stop.
you. Calm down.
Stop.
All right.
You okay? Calm down. He's not gonna help you. He's not gonna hurt you. Calm down. You okay?
Hey, just
You
relax.
okay,
Relax.
God,
I don't want to hurt you.
please.
I don't want to hurt you.
You okay, baby? You okay? You okay? Calm down, please.
Stop, please.
Calm down.
I'm not hurting you, buddy.
You okay?
Okay?
Please calm down.
Calm.
Hey,
Just relax.
Please, you okay? Bro? You okay?
Relax.
Calm down.
I
We're good, okay?
Please.
Yeah, I don't know.
You okay? You okay? You okay?
That's what,
Okay, calm down.
yeah, well, shit.
You
Yeah,
okay?
shit.
You okay? Please calm down.
That's it.
God. Oh my God.
Stop.
Jesus Christ. You okay, baby? You okay? You okay? You didn't do nothing wrong. You okay? You didn't do nothing wrong. You all right? Just calm down. You just want to get calm down, baby. You okay? Just calm down, please. Lord, you okay? Just calm down. You all right? Just calm down. You all right? Just calm down. Oh my God. He gonna go. Just calm down. You okay? You okay, baby? You okay, baby? No, you gotta stay down.
You know, real quick.
You gotta stay down.
My arm hurt
You gotta
bad.
stay down. You gotta
Come on,
stay down,
please.
baby.
We gotta get him cuffed.
We got you, baby.
Man, give me my arm.
We got you, man. We got you.
Huh? My arm hurt bad. Yes, hey, man, look at my arm, man. The foot, man. Nigga, you're my foot.
Calm down. No.
Hey,
Calm down.
Phil. Hey,
No, calm down.
hey, Phil. Hey.
Listen, relax. You need to get you some help. Hey, relax.
I got it.
Relax, we got you.
What do we need?
Relax.
Got it. Here, I have it. I got it.
Get you some help.
Here. Yeah, get off the
Chill out, man. We got you.
You got this. Keep that. Wait, don't grab my arm. Stop moving. All right, move. Move your hand. Nope. There we go. Good. Hey, man, relax. Chill out.
Are you alright? Yeah, he punched me in the mouth. Really hard.
Hey, relax. We got you. Hold on, listen. Relax, man. We're trying to get you some help. Chill out, man. We're trying to get you some help. Chill out. Chill out, man. We got you. We're trying to get him some help. I got you.
Don't grab my arm. Stop.
Man, listen. It's for his safety. It's for his safety. I'm not sure. He just ready. He don't even know what's going on. Let me tell you something. I understand. For his safety, we have to restrain him to the medical care. He just trying to fight. I know. I'm not trying to fight. He's not in trouble at first. So I know. But I don't try to know. He don't know nothing. He's confused. That's all I want you to know. Do you understand that we're just trying to get him so he doesn't run into trouble? It's your job. I know. Thank you. Oh my God.
Get off me.
My man, chill out, man. Chill out.
73, I'm getting lost. Trying to mark.
7-2, we go.
I got his leg.
This camera, I need to knock him.
We got a medic coming, man. Who's camera? My man, chill out. We got you right here. Hey, we got you. Just relax. Just relax.
Here, hold his arms and get away from his hands. Up here. Grab him up here.
I got you.
Everyone just grab his shoulders. Okay.
My man, you're right.
Shoulders.
I got it.
You're right.
Keep your hands away from his.
Try to put him a little more.
We got a medic coming, man. You're right. All right? You're right.
We're getting you a medic.
Medically, what's going on with him, man? Do we know?
Seizure is what they're saying.
Okay.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. You bring that over here.
Mark, when you were checking his pockets, did we have an ID in the back?
So I can help you get on the cop, man. A couple guys roll up on it. He rolls up on an accident. Apparently he's having seizures.
Okay. We want to figure out what's going on.
Full compatible. Bites, punches, kicks, spits. Okay. It was all out. You held him on his side the whole time?
It hurt my hands bad, man.
Hey, you gotta stay on your side, man.
Please help me out there. It's hurting.
They're here to help you. Possibly seizures, drugs, something like that. Okay. Sure. Highly compatible.
We're going to help you out once you get in the back of the truck, all right?
You guys got an ID or anything?
I got Michael.
Yeah, everything.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Michael.
Michael, what's your last name?
All right. Sorry.
Everybody's here to help you only, okay?
There was a cruiser that had a
All right.
red bandana.
I just need you to try to breathe. It's very weak. Take something?
No.
Well, you got in a crash.
Oh, yeah.
Really? Yeah, that's serious.
Do you have a
Swing and shit?
Yeah, man.
We got to fall asleep or something?
I don't know. What's going on with you?
They put me to
Do
sleep?
you have any medical conditions?
I got seizures.
You have seizures? Okay.
You gotta let me go.
You gotta hang tight right now like this, okay?
Oh my God, I'm suffering.
All right. We understand. We just need you to get in a better spot. I can tell you're kind of with us now, all right?
Okay.
These guys as medics are concerned about you. Want to make sure you're okay.
Okay.
All right?
I was waiting for this.